Audric. Audric. Hey, you're not supposed to touch those things. You're not supposed to touch those things. What is that? Are you exploring? Audric, what do you got there? Bubby, what you got there? Audric, come here. No. Give it here. Audric, nope, come here. Get it. Now I gotta take it away? Oh, you know I'm coming after you? Put that in your mouth. I'm gonna take it from you. Audric, I'm gonna take it away. What is that?